Huawei P30 series is launching on March 26th and there is still a month left for the event. But the leaks have already started and today the official press renders of the Huawei P30 Pro revealed the design from the front as well as from the rear. Now just to clear some confusions, these are the official renders and not concepts, hence you should keep in mind that this is going to be the actual design of the phone. The Huawei P30 Pro is the successor to P20 Pro, which was one of the best camera phones of last year. The P20 Pro was the first phone to launch with triple cameras and the P30 Pro is coming with some more interesting camera features, one of which is going to be the 10x zoom. If you don't know, Oppo showcased its 10x lossless zoom technology at the MWC Barcelona and it is expected that Huawei will use a similar technology in the P20 Pro. As you can see, one of the cameras has a square lens which is similar to the prototype device that Oppo showcased at the MWC. So it is now almost confirmed that Huawei P30 Pro also uses the periscope optics, which means that the light is diverted by a prism and then it hits the camera sensor. Now if you look closely, then there is one more camera sensor under the LED flash and the laser autofocus. It is actually the time of flight sensor that will help in gathering depth data in real time. This is not new since we have already seen this sensor on some phones launched this year. Also, it is not known what type of cameras the Huawei P30 Pro is going to use. Assuming that these will remain the same as Mate 20 Pro, we can expect a normal wide-angle camera, a telephoto camera and an ultra-wide-angle camera. There is no fingerprint scanner on the rear, which confirms that the P30 Pro has an in-display fingerprint scanner. Coming to the front, we can see that the Huawei P30 Pro has minimal bezels all around, but it still has a notch on top. This is a U-shaped notch which has a single front camera. Since the cutout is small, the P30 Pro does not have extra sensors for face unlock like the Mate 20 Pro. So it uses just the front camera for face unlock. And finally, the Huawei P30 Pro will launch in various gradient color options like all the flagships from the company. So what do you think of the design of the Huawei P30 Pro? Do let me know in the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.